Welcome back to Next Gen World, where we dive into the most advanced machines redefining technology, defense, and mobility. Today, we're flying high literally as we explore one of Japan's most powerful and capable military aircraft, the Kawasaki C-2. At first glance, the Kawasaki C-2 looks like a sleek, futuristic cousin of the well-known American C-17 Globemaster III. But make no mistake, this bird is a beast of its own, designed and manufactured entirely by Japan to meet its unique strategic and operational needs. Let's rewind to the early 2000s. Japan's Air Self-Defense Force was operating aging transport aircraft like the C-1 and the American-built C-130 Hercules. But with changing mission demands, longer ranges, and bigger payloads becoming a necessity, Japan decided it was time for something better, something indigenous, modern, and highly capable. And thus, the C-2 was born. Developed by Kawasaki Heavy Industries, the C-2 took its first flight in 2010 and officially entered service in 2016. It's a tactical and strategic airlifter, bridging the gap between short-range transport and intercontinental logistics. What makes it even more impressive is that it's built to handle everything from military supplies to disaster relief equipment. Basically, it's a flying workhorse with the heart of titanium and wings of pure innovation. Now, let's talk numbers. Because the C-2 is no lightweight, this aircraft measures around 44 meters in length with a wingspan of 44.4 meters. It has a maximum takeoff weight of over 141,000 kilograms and can carry a payload of up to 37.6 tons. That's nearly twice the capacity of the older C-1. We're talking tanks, armored vehicles, large-scale humanitarian supplies, even helicopters, all transported with ease. Powered by two General Electric CF680 C2K1F turbofan engines, the C-2 can cruise at about 890 km per hour, with the range of over 7,600 kilometers when lightly loaded. What does that mean in real-world terms? It can fly from Tokyo to New Delhi without refueling, making it a serious contender in both regional and global missions. One of the standout features of the C-2 is its advanced avionics and glass cockpit. The flight systems are completely modernized, reducing pilot workload and improving mission efficiency. It's equipped with a fly-by-wire control system, a fully digital flight deck, and defensive countermeasures to protect it in hostile environments. This is not your average transport aircraft. It's designed to survive and thrive in combat zones. The cargo hold is pressurized and features a rear loading ramp that can easily handle outsized cargo. There's even in-flight refueling capability, which extends its operational flexibility significantly. Whether it's deploying troops, delivering aid, or performing emergency evacuations, the C-2 gets the job done swiftly and safely. But Japan didn't just build the C-2 for internal use. There's been growing international interest in the aircraft, especially from nations looking to modernize their own airlift capabilities. With its efficient performance, long-range capabilities, and versatile cargo options, the C-2 is slowly carving out a niche in the global defense market. Another interesting aspect is its stealthier approach to radar signatures. While not a stealth aircraft per se, the C-2 does incorporate radar-absorbent materials and design features that reduce its radar cross-section, especially when compared to older transport planes. It's not invisible, but it's harder to spot. And in the world of modern military aviation, every bit counts. Let's not forget its role in humanitarian operations. Japan has already used the C-2 in disaster relief missions, delivering food, water, medical supplies, and equipment in the wake of earthquakes, typhoons, and other emergencies. In these situations, speed, payload capacity, and range are crucial, and the C-2 delivers on all fronts. And of course, when you're investing in an aircraft like this, maintenance and operational costs matter. Kawasaki designed the C-2 with modular systems and ease of maintenance in mind. From digital diagnostics to easily replaceable components, it's built for long-term sustainability. Now, let's talk about its future. There have been discussions about developing a civilian variant of the C-2 for cargo transport, which could compete with current heavy freighters in commercial aviation. There are even whispers about adapting the platform for aerial refueling roles or surveillance missions. The platform is that versatile. The Kawasaki C-2 represents more than just a new aircraft. It's a symbol of Japan's growing aerospace capabilities and its commitment to self-reliant defense. In a world where logistics and rapid deployment can turn the tide of conflict or save thousands of lives, the C-2 stands ready. So, what's the takeaway? The Kawasaki C-2 might not make headlines like fighter jets or stealth bombers, but its strategic value is immense. It's fast, powerful, modern, and incredibly adaptable. Whether it's lifting tanks, delivering humanitarian aid, or extending Japan's strategic reach, the C-2 is proof that the future of military aviation isn't just about firepower, it's also about mobility, speed, and precision. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the Kawasaki C-2. If you're a fan of cutting-edge defense tech and aviation marvels, hit that like button, subscribe to Next Gen World, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a drop from the future of flight, defense, and engineering. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned.